Hello and welcome to another episode of Girl You're Always Sewing Something. Today I want to talk to you about how to organize your future sewing projects. I'm going to use this New Look pattern as an example. So I know that I want to do view D. So what you need for this project, you need your fabric, all the notions that is telling you on the back, and you need a Ziploc bag. So for view D, it's telling me how much fabric I need. So I need a yard and 5/8 of fabric. I go get that fabric. I look at how many pattern pieces there are. There are 7 pattern pieces. I cut out all my pattern pieces and I transfer all my markings. So once I've done that, I'll read. You always want to read your suggested fabrics, and then you want to read what notions does this pattern require to complete this garment. It tells me I need 1 frog closure. I am not going to use a frog closure. Instead, I'm just going to use a nice classic button. So with that being said, get your Ziploc bag. You get these Ziploc bags from the dollar store, and you want to make sure that you have your pattern, your fabric choice. I'm using this beautiful, I think this is like an eggplant. Yeah, beautiful color. Everything's cut, markings are transferred. I'm just going to put this inside my Ziploc bag. I'm going to put my notions inside there. So the only thing it required was a frog closure. I'm going to use a button. Then I'll take, because I have not started this pattern yet, because you need the instructions, I'm just going to stick everything in here together. So when it's time to do that project, all I need to do is grab this. Some people may put thread, the color thread, inside their bag. I don't do that because if you ever saw my sewing room tour, you already know my my thread is right there. I just grab it when I need it and I sew, and then I put it right back so I won't misplace it. Or I may be working on more than one project that requires the same color thread. So hopefully you guys like that. I'm going to show you another quick video, do a really quick another snippet in here. So those are for future projects. For a project that I've already started, this project I've already started sewing it, I'll take the same Ziploc bag and I'll put in, just from the back of the envelope, the project that I'm working on, so I can just grab that and have all the instructions. This is something I've already started, but again, everything is together and makes it nice and neat and easy to find when you need it. So those are examples of how you can do future projects or projects that you're currently working on, and how you can store it and grab it when you need it. Please like, rate, and subscribe. Thank you very much and have a blessed day.